So in this exercise, I'm going to create a bench shaft with varying diameters. So I'm going to do this in order because I'm going to use the loft and sweep commands as well. So I'm going to start with a extrusion and just have a circle by center, 25 diameter. And just for easier editing going forward, I'm adding a dimension on here. And right mouse click to finish, and then go out, say 80 mil. I'm also going to need a transition size, so I'm just going to draw a sketch on here and do a parallel reference plane coming off the principal one. Always safer to do that, less likely to get removed. So I'm going to take this out to 100, place it in there, do a circle by center, 33 diameter. Again, I'm going to place a dimension on here. If you didn't know, you can actually get your sketches to auto dimension as you draw them. So from here, I am going to do a loft from this edge here to this edge here. Right mouse click to preview and finish. So I want to put another one of those sketches further down the track. So I'm going to, I could draw another sketch, or I could do a tear off sketch. So I want a parallel plane. Again, same philosophy. I'm going to take it off the main reference plane, and I'll bring this out, say 720. Then I need to specify what I want to copy, and that places that out here. Possibly should have done that as an option in here. You can copy elements non-associative, but for this exercise, this will be fine. So then I'm going to draw another extrusion at the other end. So I'm going to take a parallel plane, X50, just make it a lot bigger than anything else, so that I'm not picking up on connecting to any other geometry. And finish that out. And I want to bring this out, say about 100. And like I did before at the other end, I'm going to do a loft from there to there. And now I need to create my profile for my main section. So coincident plane is what I'm after, front plane. If I wanted something a little bit more complex, I could have used a 3D sketch. But for this, I'm just going to draw 35. This wants to be at an angle of 30 degrees. Minus 30 on the other end. See how it's picked up off the other geometry, so it's in line. And we have our section on here. Let's add some dimensions. I'm going to add this dimension in first. Pay for an angle. Same at the other end. And From here, what I'm looking for is changing this to 350. This one needs to be dimensioned. Then I'll add a dimension on here as well, so I'll make that 50. And the rest sort of gets tidied up as it goes. Actually, I'll put in a distance from there as well. So that's all controlled based on the fact that it's collinear with that, or with that end anyway. So from here, what I can do is place some fillets on here. So clicking on the point here, those bits are just size that up, and then once that is set, I can then just go around and reset these. Notice it's changed because of the distance from the fillet as well. So let's close that out and finish. So from here, I can do the sweep to finish off, single path in cross section, and chain the whole path, so that's going to pick up and that edge there, and that gives me my completed part with change of profiles and change of planes as well.